Hi everyone, I'm Slaya, and today I'll show you how to set a live wallpaper on your Windows PC or laptop. If you're ready, let's begin. First, open your web browser and search for Lively Wallpaper. And click on this website. Click the download button. You can also download it from the Microsoft Store if you prefer. I'll download the installer. Once the download is complete, double-click to run the installer. Choose the recommended option. Select your preferred language and click OK. Click Next. Read the agreement and check the I do accept the agreement box, then click Next. 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 Click Install and wait for the installation process to finish. Click Finish and run the Lively Wallpaper app. If you don't want a custom wallpaper, you can set one of the live wallpapers included in the app as your own wallpaper with just one click. If you are going to use a custom wallpaper, open Lively Wallpaper again and click the plus sign in the upper right corner. Then click Choose a file. Select the live wallpaper you downloaded and click Open. You don't need to change anything here, just click OK. As you can see, a custom live wallpaper has been added to the home page. Now, let's activate it by clicking on it once. As you can see, we have successfully set a live wallpaper on the PC. I hope this How to Set Live Wallpaper on PC tutorial video was helpful. If so, please subscribe to the Slaya YouTube channel and like the video. Have a nice day.